we should be good in the truck. Hey, grab me water, would you please, Mama? Track 5. All right. Huh? There's a fire out here recently. Shit. We're gonna be out here with a fucking shit just clearing to get to where we need to clear to. Watch out for the thorns. Maybe I need a fire. By the way, one of the times we're coming out here, I'm bringing fucking, I'm gonna order 2 dragon breath rounds. 100-foot flames will fire out of this 12 gauge. I'll order 4 so we each can have one, and I have a backup. So what's the point in having a cool thing like that? Huh? Yeah. By the looks of it, this may be where I wind up start building at. But so far, this seems like it's the clearer spot. We'd lose Tyler? Whoa, big ass hole there. This is track 5, so there's a creek right there. That's good to know. So this will probably be the area we start clearing first to put a... So we can start building here probably quickest. It's flatter, it's got a creek nearby. Yeah. Oh yeah, we get a chainsaw. Wow. Wow.